Are you tired of contacting multiple mechanical and HVAC service companies only to jump through hoops to get a response? Mr. Freeze Mechanical Services installs and maintains mechanical systems, including air and water-cooled heated systems, electrical motors and pumps, ductwork, heat exchangers, and so much more. Our full-service industrial and commercial mechanical company is here for you anytime you need us. It's a major pain when you call an automated message system or email back and forth without a satisfying answer. With Mr. Freeze Mechanical, we're always a simple text or phone call away. You'll talk to a real live person or your dedicated journeyman directly to schedule service calls and get your questions answered. Our service speaks for itself. Satisfied customers have said we're trustworthy, highly skilled, professional, and responsible. We take pride in what we do, now and in the future. Mr. Freeze Mechanical is tradesman-owned and operated, and we put our customers first. We offer fair prices and guaranteed quality work. We handle end-to-end mechanical services, so whatever your facility or office needs, talk to us about getting it done. Hire Mr. Freeze Mechanical to be your all-in-one solution. To learn more, visit our website at mrfreezehvac.com.